Yellow. Where's it? Over here. Oh, over here. Yeah. Here, over here. Here. Okay, okay. No.
I don't deserve all of this.
Oh, tin.
Sweetie.
Ah,
Sweetie. Mommy's back.
dili lahi na sad.
Hi, Mom.
Teen adult.
Wanna go play in your favorite
Yan naman to yung dapat. Oh, dili na sad lo lahi.
No.
Parang guro na sila kadaot.
Well, come on. We're going shopping.
Oh, ni kuma ni sagol na sila upat-upat.
But we just went shopping over half an hour ago, Mommy.
See?
The car is waiting. Let's go. That Mommy is rich. Why does Mommy waste so much money? Yeah. She knows me. Her daddy needs it for the house. Instead, don't waste it on clothes and makeup. Our chef just quit yesterday. So that means I'll probably be eating ramen for the next few weeks. What? It's kind of hard having too much money. Yeah, I know. Huh? Samantha? Uh-oh. I have bad news. What is it, Mommy? We're moving out tomorrow. Huh? Is Daddy coming with us? No, he's not. What? Then where is he? He's with another girl. What? All the money that we've been getting over the years. And since he's moving out, we won't have that anymore. We won't give me any money. What? So we'll have to find a place to stay in and get money. That's so sad unless I get a job. That's so sad. Wait, so we'll be homeless? Unfortunately, sweetie, that's the path we're going. We have to go down. Oh my god, that's so sad. They're crying a few days later. Mommy? I know, we'll find something soon. Who's that?
Ay, kapangko.
So the person. She looks ready. Money for the. No. Gold digger? What? Maybe if I ask this woman, she'll help me and Mommy. Excuse me, can you give me some money to me and my mom? You get away from me, Samantha?
We will win against the war.
Samantha!
We almost done, Abayat. Wait, Abayat. I'll give you this.
Don't touch my daughter. Get a job, old rag.
Idiot.
Are you okay, Samantha? Sorry, Mommy. I tried. Oh my goodness! I just saw what happened. Is she okay? Yes, she's fine. What's she doing? She just got a black eye and a small fever. Oh, I'm taking. Here, take some of my money. Well, that lady's oh, we couldn't. Please take it.
Ay, buto ang bulsa. Oy, diri na lang.
Why would I need a lottery ticket? There's big lottery game in this afternoon at 1:30. If you win, you'll get $228 million. That could be enough to buy a house, Mommy. Yeah. I guess it's a lot of money. We'll go. Maybe they'll win. There's gonna be. Are you gonna be there? Yes, I will. But enough about me. I think your daughter should get something to eat. Thank you. What a nice lady. Nice lady. Oh my god, it's a gold digger. Mommy. Damien? Isn't that daddy? I see you two made it. How's your eye doing?
Fix ko no si Tikboy lo.
Hmm? Oh, you're healing. People, what are you looking at? No one.
Di ano na niya tisa? Baik, apa itu kita ada semi ini
I see you two made it. How's your eye doing? Is that Samantha and Rachel? Oh, you're healing.
Very nice ka na yung
Who are you looking at? No one.
Okay, siya kita.
Okay, everyone. The number is 655-656-436. So we got it. We don't have it. They do. They won with the nice ladies Samantha and Rachel. Oh, that's so. Is that they won?
So you
Whoa, you look really nice. Get to show your outfit on, Samantha.
Bayot, ayaw lang, bayot kay mama bayot.
You know, I didn't really get to know your name. It's Hannah. Oh, her name is Hannah. Well, thank you. Aw, that's so nice. No problem. Oh my god, it's the gold digger and Damien. Long time no see. Yeah. How's it?
Don't play on ako kabit.
How does your daughter look prettier than me?
Paulina kaya siya golden buzzer na siya.
If that's the case, I guess it's prettier than you. Well, you all look pretty. I know. I'm not gonna be your girlfriend if you're what's you think. That better not be what she's thinking. Daddy, you left me and mommy.
Rayat, naran sila sa kilid niya.
Oh, he left you too? He told me he was single. Crude.
Para to, biling kagawas.
Yung lastik ko ah.
He got punched.
Lastik ko rin ka. Nani ati Joanna. Bukas ako
He's getting pushed.
patso.
So you lied and cheated.
Boss, yung ilok bagay na kuan na kuan akong ilok.
No, wow!
Oh, this relationship is over.
Stop na.
Don't look at us. Yeah. Samantha, come to dad. so cute. Click. Bye-bye, daddy. Shoot, here comes ladies. Cause she told me that he. Oh my gosh, it's foul. Hey, laugh into season 3. Hey, now laugh into season 5. Lol, with that, girls? Nah. 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 Why? That's so much. Now Rachel liked that house. It's perfect. Okay, so Melly is the gold digger, but she changed. Her and Hannah would babysit Samantha. Well, Rachel was at work. And sometimes they would hang out as a group. And Damien drowned, lol. Yeet, the end. Thank you for watching.
Where do you live in? I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. Georgia.
Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe.
The wife's big.